Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by username. So to do that, open your Snapchat and then log into your account. And then after that, tap the search bar at the upper left corner. And then tap username of someone who want you to add on Snapchat. In here, you can see now Grace Eden, but before you add it, cancel the search and then type her full name and then tap again the add icon, and this time you're gonna add Grace Eden, and that's it. That's how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by username. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.